Hi. Have you been wondering why you are in pain, why you feel lost, why you feel drained, why you feel frustrated, why you feel that life is passing you by and you are not doing what you came here to do? That is because you are most likely an older soul. Older souls know that they came here to do something big. They find themselves being servants to others instead of really understanding why they know, what they can do with what they have, and how to really be of service in a way that not only helps others and serves others, but serves yourself. I am Tammy Demirza, and I work with older souls. And I am giving a workshop in Austin, Texas this year that is called Older Souls Unleashed. One of the biggest issues that I see with older souls is that they know that they came here to do something big. They know that they're here to make an impact. So because of their sensitivities, because of their abilities, because of their heightened awareness, they actually become servants to others, and they just feel used. They feel frustrated. They feel, why isn't things reciprocated? They want to know what more they can do. They find themselves out of balance. They find themselves in what I call spiritual codependency. And what that means is that because of your abilities as an older soul, because you have heightened senses and abilities, if you're not using them to discern for yourself what is the highest good for you, then you will automatically jump in and be of service to others just because you feel them, see them, know them, understand them, and are aware of what they're doing. That is not the highest service. What if the highest service in your life, the biggest mission in your life, is for you to know you, for you to understand what your abilities are, for you to understand why you've had the life you've had, why it's been dramatic, why it's been frustrating, why you can't seem to break through that glass wall. You can see the other side. You know you were destined to experience more than what you are. You find yourself giving to others but struggling for yourself. If this resonates with you, please click on the link below to find out more about the Older Souls Unleashed workshop coming up in Austin, Texas, and online. And I would love to have you there, for you see, I am an older soul and I know what it's like to be a unicorn. And I know what it's like to be tormented and know what you know, but you don't have a tribe. You don't have people that you can talk to about it. You're coming into, if you attend the Older Souls workshop, you're coming into a group of people that are like-minded like you, that have experienced what you have like me, and are ready to overcome and unleash the power of everything you have accomplished in other lives and in this one, just to make the impact on millions that you came here to do. Please come and join us, and I will look forward to getting a southern hug from you and to get to know you and to see where you are and support you in your journey by teaching you things, by putting the puzzle together for you and helping you to make clear choices that are in alignment with you, which means it's the highest good for everyone else. Come and join us.